think about drawing something familiar like hands or lips, a cat, or a rose, we often forget about the imperfections and unique shapes and textures each individual object or creature has. I see this a lot, especially in wildlife art, where every animal has perfectly clean fur or no broken feathers, when in reality things are dirty and have imperfections. Teeth break and claws get snagged and hands have wrinkles on them. Details which, when included, make for more interesting drawings and paintings. So as we draw more and more, it's so important to build up a visual bank of references in our minds. References based on in-person observation or true-to-life reference photos. This way we're drawing from what we actually see and not from what we think we know. In the case of drawing a rose, there are so many details that we can include. The half-dead petals, the petals that are half bent, the holes where the insects ate through, the broken thorns. As I'm drawing these roses, I'm limiting myself to simple contour lines, which forces me to look at my reference photos more than looking at my drawing, forcing myself to take notice to the imperfections and the real qualities of the roses I'm drawing. As I'm laying down these lines, I'm only looking at the petals around the immediate petal I'm drawing, seeing how each affects each other, working from petal to petal until I have a finished drawing of a rose. I'm treating these drawings as quick warm-ups, giving myself no more than 5 minutes to draw each of them. I'm looking at the reference photos 80% of the time and my actual drawing 20% of the time. So as my hand is moving on the page, my eyes are usually looking at the photo, giving trust to what my hand is doing. So take notice to every detail and don't be afraid to embrace them in your drawings. All the imperfections, all the things that aren't beautiful, and keep them in your drawings.